Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping your name. This grants access to account controls. Once done, select Media and Purchases and choose View Account to reveal purchase settings. You're doing this because the App Store password prompts tie to purchase and authentication settings. Changing them here prevents future requests. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is configured, since you'll replace password prompts with biometric approval. If you don't see these options, sign out and sign back in to refresh account state. Next, go to Password Settings. This is where the App Store enforces credential requests. You'll pick Require after 15 minutes or Never if you want fewer prompts. Choose Never to remove frequent password demands, though note this lowers security. Then enable Use Face ID or use Touch ID for purchases. This swaps typed passwords for quick biometrics. You do this so authentication remains convenient yet secure. If password settings is grayed out, check screen time restrictions or family sharing controls and adjust them first. Finally, verify your changes by downloading a free app. You should see Face ID or No Password prompt depending on your choice. If the old behavior persists, sign out of the App Store, restart the device, and sign back in. This forces settings to sync. Make sure screen time or family sharing isn't enforcing password rules because those override your preferences. Troubleshooting tip. If issues continue, update iOS and reset network settings before contacting Apple support, since stale caches or network errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.